Hey guys, welcome back to my next mission. Back in my little pond. We're gonna use some gobies to catch some big fish today. See? Alright guys, just caught this nice smallie. Yeah, so you wanna have another one, I hope. Alright guys, just caught this smallie. Yeah, see ya. Okay guys, just caught this other bass. I just had set it down and it started peeling drag. Already off to an awesome start, 2 fish. So yeah, so you wanna have something else. Alright guys, just caught this drum. Yeah, so you wanna have something else. Alright guys, just caught another drum, and yeah,